The purpose of this page is for you to provide background context information about your organization and to describe the internal and external environment context under which the assessment is being conducted. You can either pre-fill this from an existing assessment by ticking this box and selecting the previous assessment to copy over from. In the General section, you'll be asked to include the framework and the background context of the assessment, for example, the size, structure, and decision-making hierarchy, the countries in which the organization has active business operations, and the types of activities that your organization may be involved with that present higher bribery and corruption risks, as well as the nature, scale, and complexity of the organization's activities and business operations. The next section is Business Objectives, where you are asked to explain how your organization's goals relate to the compliance program being assessed, and summarize the needs and expectations of stakeholders, the scope of the organization's anti-bribery management systems, and context behind the bribery and corruption risk assessment, as well as the specific activities that the organization may be engaged in that could expose it to higher bribery and corruption risk. Finally, you can insert any additional comments and the next review date for future assessments, and add supporting documents to provide documentary evidence to support the assessment context. To save all the changes, click on Save and Proceed.